Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 BNB chain ecosystem tokens outside of the top 50. We're going to start with Sky, basically Maker, Form, FLOKI, DEXE, Cake, Trust Wallet token, Beam, XLR, 1 inch, and then we end it with Musk at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Maker against USD, basically Sky, is okay. So just to put things in perspective, Maker is actually in a very huge, beautiful squeeze that I think is going to break eventually. My guess is it breaks in 2026. More likely than not. We're already above the skinny pink line. So if Maker continues higher, right? Oh boy, this is going to be great. We'll be anticipating a small little right. Not right exactly a right shoulder, but a consolidation over here, and then Maker breaks towards $10,000, maybe 9,000. Maybe by that time, Binance might shift to Maker into Sky tokens, and then we're just gonna get another fresh chart. Like, damn, this whole thing is gonna disappear. So I'm like, but we're anticipating 10k, right? So from where we are to 10k will be roughly 400%. So yeah, I think Maker is fantastic. The chart pattern is absolutely fantastic. It's just waiting for a breakout. We're still in accumulation though. Form against USD. Here we are for Form. Anything for Form? New. And Form just keeps going higher. Tradability? No, we don't see it. Not on Form. FLOKI against USD. Here we are for FLOKI. FLOKI, if you look at it, indicate. FLOKI, we actually have two targets, right? One is at 5,000. The other one is at 3,004. We're still largely under the skinny pink line, so to us, right? The trend is still largely bearish, so it's still a high possibility that we could still drop towards 3,004. At what point will we consider the 3,004 target to be invalidated? Yeah, go break up above the skinny pink line, stay above it, continue higher. And sure, it'll be gone, right? If you take out these highs here, yeah. So we'll consider it to be invalidated. But for now, we're still anticipating more downside for FLOKI. DEXE, absolute trade of the month. So DEXE was a trade which we noticed way back in April. 7 p.m. April 24th, which is 2 months ago. May, June. No, it's really June. Okay, not exactly 2 months, but less than 2 months ago. And we already anticipated the chart pattern, right? We had two targets though. First target was 950, and we were like, it's now things are completing. It's like, it's gonna go much lower to $9, and so eventually, DEXE did drop lower, and it was so fast. And yeah, we actually took a trade for it. So this is the trade of the month. Reason why this is the trade of the month was because we completed the trade within 4 hours. It was so fast. So yeah, this was the chart pattern that appeared. All right. So you can see again, how do you recognize whether if it's in a bearish or bullish trend? Lower highs. It just kept forming lower highs. You knew that more likely than not it's gonna break. 1, 2. Another sign is that we're already on a skinny pink line, and we have been testing it. All right, hammer. If you knock enough times on wood, it will break, and eventually it broke, and it broke with volatility. So that's why it only took 4 hours. The trade was so quick. In out pump, just like that. What? So this was a very volatile move, very profitable, but I still think that there's more downside to come for DEXE. I don't think DEXE is done. I think DEXE is still going to clear all of these sell classes, dropping to sub $6. It could be, sub $6 in my opinion. I don't think we're done yet. So we could still be blessed with a chart pattern over here. So this chart pattern, hopefully is something as good as this as well. So we could take trades for DEXE towards the downside. That would be fantastic though. I don't know if you're gonna be going back above $10, but yeah, we very likely should see a rally. And if the rally comes on, I would love it if we could take another trade down towards $6 for DEXE. So all targets have been hit for DEXE. Fantastic. This is a fantastic trade for shorting, right? Very fast. So yeah, we love it. Fantastic. It was very short, very fast. Oh my god. So yeah, but anyway, if you are interested on the intricacies, on the small little details on how to spot an entry, right, and how to exit. I actually did a video about it over here. So it's plus 31R. So if you're interested, feel free to check it out. Anyway, moving on would be Pancake Swap. Okay, so Cake is also in a very, very nice squeeze. Right. We know more likely than not, Cake is going to break higher. Right. So we actually have two targets in mind. One is at 20 bucks. The other one is at roughly 30 bucks. Right. There are two targets we're looking at, but we haven't broken out yet. So the momentum is still not there yet. We're still in accumulation, but Cake looks fantastic, just like Maker. All right. Two of these coins are fantastic, which we've just went through. Sky, Maker basically, and Cake. DEXE is towards the downside, but Cake and Sky, from an accumulation bullish standpoint, fantastic. So yeah, we're just waiting for the breakout. So the whales are still in accumulation, right? You can see higher lows and lower highs, right? So this is a squeeze that's in the making, right? If you see lower highs and lower lows, then of course the trend is bearish, right? But if you see lower highs and you see higher lows, it's like, there's a squeeze happening. There's a breakout waiting to happen. More likely than not, the direction is up for such big accumulation. More likely than not. So yeah, but Pancake Swap is also the top DEX for BNB. So wouldn't be surprised if we see Pancake Swap do fantastically well. Trust Wallet token. Trust Wallet token is just, I don't know what it's doing. It's just mucking around here. It's not exactly collapsing or, but you can tell that the trend is still bearish, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. See the difference? Trust Wallet token versus Pancake Swap. We're still in a bearish trend. This whole thing is still a falling channel. How much lower? I don't know. Doesn't look good to me. This is left shoulder, head. I suspect a right shoulder is coming on for Trust. We could be dropping lower. So be careful about rushing into a long for Trust Wallet. BEAM against USDT. Okay, it's BEAMX on Binance. So BEAMX, we actually had a target over here, 1470 and 1820. We were anticipating the ascending triangle, right, to complete over here, but we didn't get the curve back up. We continue dropping lower. This is bad. So I suspect that this could be a bearish continuation, kind of a chart pattern, right? If we got this, it'd be fantastic. But no, we dropped lower. And so we've established a very nice support over here, which I think will eventually break towards the downside. How much lower could we go for BEAMX? I think we're going to clear this sell. Okay, we've already cleared it. I think we're probably going to clear this. Dropping back down towards sub 500. We're at 661. So just a small little mountain over here. And then that's it. We could be dropping lower, right? Past 400, past 500, past 500. So yeah, it doesn't look too good to me. I think that BMX is more likely than not headed towards the more downside. Excellent. So we're gonna consider. Wait, hang on. We're gonna consider this to be invalidated because we already taken out the lows over here. XLR against USD. Here we are for XLR. Again, nothing much for XLR. We're hoping that there will be a squeeze over here, but should we drop lower and take out these lows, then yeah, that's it. So from a trading standpoint, nothing much for us to work with. 1 inch against USD. Here we are for 1 inch. 1 inch. We actually had a target over here. I haven't visited 1 inch since June 2024. Can you imagine how long that was? There was a head and shoulders over here. Right. There was a zip down. We zip back up, but we didn't take out the highs over here. Yeah, we didn't take out the right shoulder. And so eventually we drop lower. And we hit target. Ta-da! 22 cents. And after that, we rose higher. Vroom! We took out everything. And after that, vroom! We dropped lower again. Anything for us to work with for 1 inch? No. Is it in a bullish trend? No. Still bearish? Yes. You see, it's just lower highs. Yeah. And you can still see, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower low. Yeah. It's not good. Not good, boys and girls. It's just not good. So, yeah, but we hit target over here. because there was a head and shoulders here. There's 1 inch for you. Next will be Musk. Musk against USD. Here we are for Musk. Okay, Musk is rallying. Okay, we actually had a target over here, Musk. Right, there was a squeeze here. We were hoping that the squeeze will bring us towards 10 bucks. I didn't go to 10 bucks. What happened? Yeah, we dropped lower. And again, the moment we take out these lows, it's invalidated. So yeah, that's it for Musk. But anyway, from a big chart pattern standpoint, Musk could still head towards $10 eventually, right? This whole thing could turn into something like an accumulation, very big accumulation. But we have to take Musk one step at a time, right? We have to see each consolidation, trade each consolidation on its own. So if there's a consolidation over here, great, we take a trade up. If not, then yeah, again, from a trading standpoint, right, there's just nothing much for us to work with for Musk at this point of time. So yeah, that's Musk for you, right? So the two chart pattern which I think is fantastic is Sky Maker and Pancake Swap. These two chart pattern, very nice chain link also, right? Okay, no, not chain link, but these two only. Yeah, sorry, Maker, which is Sky, and Pancake Swap. Watch out for these two coins. Watch out for its price action. It might zip lower. So if it zips lower, it could be an opportunity to go long. But of course, we have to see price action first. All right, hope you guys have a great day ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.